Alright guys, this is going to be a short video just kind of going over factoring exponential polynomials on your Unit 4 test and some problems. You will see them look like this where they have more than one exponential x value included. You will be factoring these, alright, and this is why I put factoring exponential polynomials. So the best way to factor them when you are looking at e to the 2x minus e to the x minus 2, you're going to end up being able to factor this. And you have to kind of look at e to the x as just like a normal x value. So if e to the x is just x, and then we have e to the 2x, we would look at this as if it were x squared. So the 2 in front of the x in the exponent will stay as an exponent for the x. So you would look at e to the x as if it were just x, but x would still be squared because of the 2 here. So because of that, we end up with this polynomial. Okay, I'm going to rewrite it as with e to the x instead of x, but I'm still doing the polynomial exactly the same. So I have negative 2, which would obviously become negative 2 and positive 1 for us. So minus 2 plus 1. So that means e to the x is equal to 2, and e to the x is equal to negative 1. And then from here, you would multiply both sides by ln. So really, x would be ln of 2, right? And multiply both sides by ln here to get the x value by itself. And we would get x is equal to ln of negative 1. You will never have a negative ln. So ln of 2, once we put that into the calculator, of course, we have that right here. I don't even see, there it is, ln of 2, we would end up, let's say 3 digit 0.693 would be our x value. Okay, so anytime you have a negative ln, that will not be able to work. Okay, so same exact thing here. We would keep e to the x would just become x, and we have squared here. So minus 4 times e to the x would just be 4 times x, and then minus 12. So we have a negative 12, which we can do 6 and 2 here. It would be a negative 6 and a positive 2. So I will write e to the x minus 6, e to the x plus 2. That means e to the x is equal to 6, and e to the x is equal to negative 2. And then, of course, when we just change it to ln, because I would multiply both sides by ln to cancel out the e, x is equal to ln of 6. And then I'm just going to go ahead and write here, x equal to ln of negative 2. This will not work for us. This would be our answer. Okay, and then, of course, yes, you'd put that into the calculator. Sometimes it will look like this as well, in which case we would just move over that 3 and set it equal to 0. So we have x squared here, e to the x with the 2, plus 2x minus 3. Okay, e to the x, let's see, we have negative 3. We would be using 3 and 1, it looks like. Positive 3, negative 1, x plus 3, e to the x minus 1. That means e to the x is equal to negative 3. E to the x is equal to positive 1. That means we have ln of negative 3 is equal to x, and x is equal to ln of 1, which would be our answer. All right, feel free to pause this one and do it on your own before continuing, but I'm going to go ahead and move that 15 to the left side. We're going to rewrite this just in like a polynomial form. And remember, e to the x is just our x for this. So it becomes x squared minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. So we have, for 15, we've got, looks like negative 3 and negative 5. All right, e to the x minus 3, e to the x minus 5, e to the x is equal to 3, e to the x is equal to 5. And it looks like we will actually have two answers here because they are both positive. All right.